Hey Jeff, how you doing?
Good, Mr. Val.
Doing good?
Yep.
All right, this client requested that we, he asked me to take these warm whites off, and so we'll put 5 strands of these minis on, Jeff.
Okay.
5 strands of minis. Okay.
Okay.
And then over here, we'll put 7 strands of minis over here on this side. Yeah, multi. What did I say?
Okay.
Get that over there. That looks like an old Halloween piece. I'll give it to the client. Okay, cool. So over here, we'll put 7 multis.
Yep.
Okay. 5 on this side, and then remember, we got to do that guy.
On that one?
Yeah, I know he's dead.
I can put it right here. Okay.
Yeah, all 3 of these, whatever you need.
Okay.
2, 2, and 1, whatever.
Okay.
And there's some more. They're in the driveway there.
Okay.
Figure 7 strands here, and then there's a tub there that I brought. Yeah, leave those. Leave those.
Okay.
Just
And the back.
this is the back of both, and then red berries and that.
Okay.
Okay.
That one can put every feet or every 2 feet for the left pole.
I would probably do every 3.
Every 3?
Yeah. So Kenderson, we want to take off those clears there, those clears there, and we're going to put these 5 strands on. Do those 2, Kenderson, and that one there,
This too?
and that one too, with the multis.
Oh, okay.
Just to take your clears off. Customer requested that we take the clears and put the multis on here, and then the same thing on this side, Kenderson. So anything that's white, warm white, we're replacing with the minis. And I put some extra minis here in the bin in the driveway if you need more. So I'm thinking there that you already had that green already, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking that if you put, what do you think, every 3rd?
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
it.
2.
I think every 3rd.
Okay.
Whatever you think, Jeff. You think 2 would be better? Every other?
For make sure it's,
Pops.
yeah.
Okay, do that then.
Okay.
Okay. And if you need more multis, they're in the driveway.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Good.
Yeah, good then.
Who's these people coming?
That's his queen.
Did you just get out of? You on work release today? Did they let you out of the PG lockup on Saturday mornings with your coffee? Huh? And who's this young lady here? Who's she? Oh, she looks like trouble.
Do I?
You look you look like double trouble.
Okay.
So what are you doing? School? Good?
Mm-hmm.
So you helping us on weekends? Making money Christmas?
Yes.
You gonna buy your mom and dad some presents this year? I never got nothing last year, and I waited for St. Nick, and he never brought me anything from you last year. I'm so sad. All right, so you guys good? What if we use those warm whites from the client from up there and just lay them on top of these shrubs here at the bottom?
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then just plug them in there at the bottom.
Okay. No problem.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
All the white is in the front.
Yeah. No, but on here, not on the tree. You already have Christmas color. But what if we just put some white warms down here at the bottom?
Okay.
Yeah. Take those 5 or 6 strands.
Yeah.
And just repurpose them there. Okay. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay, come on.
Alrighty. We're down here. Richie Pettibone's and Michelle Pettibone's home in Annapolis. We're going to check out how my guys are doing on this Christmas rehang. Let's take a look. Benito, how you doing, bud?
Good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Doing good?
It's nice work.
Beautiful down here today, huh?
Yeah.
The low wind today.
Yeah.
Because usually it's out here.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Wilder, where'd that fake garland come from laying up there? There's some laying on the ground. Is that Richie's?
Oh, that one I was in a couple pieces yesterday.
Oh, okay. Different job site. I'm looking at that. So that's not real garland.
And the day before.
Yeah. Because this guy pays a lot of money down here. And if you put fake garland down here, he come out here and grab a hold of you. So you can't be doing that. Have you seen Richie this morning?
No, honestly.
Huh?
No.
Not yet. Okay.
But,
How's that tree looking?
that one everything is good.
Good? That's just warm white, right? Correct? Okay.
Only,
How you doing?
good, good. Only the big one, I think that was zero.
Fetal.
Zero. That one's not working.
Not working?
Nah.
So what we got going on there? Rabner, you doing good? Good work. You look nice, buddy. You need your lift down here today. Hey, yesterday, nice work. Thank you.
You watching video clip?
Yeah, I filmed it too. I watched it last night, and we'll put it all together. I edited it this week, put it up live next week. Yeah? Good work. Well, maybe just attach it and drape it here. What do you think? Like a quick swag? Some garland and some lights? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you guys think? Huh? Beautiful day, beautiful day. Got a lot of strands of lights up in that tree. Yeah. Oh yeah, squirrels. Freaking squirrels, duty. So maybe we need to get some other lights and restring. You want to just redo it? Well, why don't we just get, you know, a 1,000-foot roll of green stringer? I got a roll at the shop, not today, but we'll come back and then we'll put LED multis in it and just restring the tree.
I think.
Hey, Rich.
There's Bobby. There he is.
How you doing, bud?
Oh, Bob Carr.
Oh boy. We must have woke him up.
Only I think that tree is working only for 1 year.
Yeah, well, we'll just restring it, okay? Then squirrels are bad down here. How you doing, Rich?
I'm hungover.
Hungover? Come on now. It's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, big night last night.
Was it?
Big night.
Football night?
St. Mary's finished 12-0. Won the championship. First time in the history of the school.
No kidding.
In 200 years.
No.
Yeah, Carson, they won 21-13. Carson had had all the touchdowns.
Did he?
Yeah, in the playoff game, in this championship,
Uh-huh.
he scored 8 times, every single point for the team.
That's awesome.
How you doing, man?
Good. Real good.
Doing good?
We were just looking at that tree out on the beach. So we're going to come back down, and I'm going to bring a 1,000-foot stringer and some LED multis next week, and just restring the whole tree new. And squirrels have eaten it. It's all in pieces.
That'd be so awesome.
Won't it?
That highlights the whole point.
We got to have it done.
Yeah, and people actually call us, Bob, and they say, oh,
If I don't have it done,
They go,
Miss Pettibone calls me.
yeah, Christmas tree. They love it. Are you doing good, though?
Absolutely.
And then the 28th, are we doing a podcast?
Absolutely. I sent you that link. You never got it?
Well, I just need to know the time. Because
You tell me what time and I'll pencil in and it'll
I
be.
told you to send me an invite.
I did.
Just tell me when, and I'll be there.
Okay. 3 o'clock.
Yeah, just send me an email and say, Richie, 3 o'clock, you give me the day.
28th.
Put it on here.
28th, 3 p.m.
It is the 28th, right?
Yes, sir. Hanging some lights. You driving a Corvette?
It's my brother's.
I know. Well, you should get one after last night, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Huh? Congratulations, bud.
Thank you so much.
You guys rolled, did you?
Yeah, I'm so
Dad was just telling me that was the was the best year in 200 years down there.
Yeah, it was our first undefeated season, and yeah.
Holy cow, man!
Yeah, I know.
That's good.
Thank you so much.
But you were pumped.
Yes, I'm just so.
Did you feel
sore.
good though internally? What you achieved?
Yeah, I mean, it hasn't hit me at all. It just not yet because I was so game mode.
Yeah, you're in that mode of
But
get it.
It will hit me eventually.
Robin, can you tell that Tino dude to pull that truck back a little so I can get out?
Absolutely.
No, not right now, though. You're filming.
I was trying to talk to this young man.
We're going to do a podcast right here. You want to do a podcast with Bob?
Is that camera on?
Yes, sir.
Give him some information, Carson.
No,
Go
we're
ahead.
just talking about it.
we were just
Before
doing-
you interrupted us, we
Yeah.
were into the mode.
We were
Okay,
in an
well, wait
interview.
till he goes deep in it. You doing
So,
good?
so tell me a little bit about. So tell me a little bit about. You said you couldn't get into it yet, but what were you think you'd be thinking about your achievement?
So it was the end of the game, 2 minutes left, and they had the ball and they fumbled. And right after that, I looked at the crowd, looked at all the players, and I was like, wow, like it was starting to hit me. I was like about to start crying. But then I looked, realized, okay, there's still 2 minutes left. We need to get a first down.
You got to keep the team
So I
rolling.
immediately locked in, and then after that, we won, and I was still kind of in that mode.
Yep.
So I couldn't get back into like the emotional setting, but I will eventually.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good deal, man. Good deal.
What did Coach Pedroni say?
He just said, amazing job. Thanks for coming back.
He did.
Uh-huh.
And you were like, let's go.
Yeah.
LFG.
Uh-huh.
LFG.
No doubt.
No doubt. There's nothing like it. Winning. Welcome to winning.
Yep.
It's the road to paradise, and it starts in hell. Welcome to winning.
First
it never
step.
comes easy.
Never doubt.
It
Never,
never
comes easy. Never comes easy. You might make it look easy. but it
Carson,
doesn't
what are
come.
the 2 pains?
Pain of discipline, pain of regret.
I hear one of our vendors out back here. Most of my guys are out on the road today. We're out installing holiday lighting. Guys are out on the road, but perfect time for the trucks that are not out on the road to get some tires done. And TJ always takes care of us. We've got a brand new truck here, but it's got enough miles on it. It needs some new tires. Guys are knocking that out, getting that done today. Now watch this guy right here. Yeah. Well, get this truck done. Got some other trucks here. That truck needs to be lettered. That truck's got new tires on it. That's in good shape. This one needs to get down to the letter shop. Anyway, I'm just getting maintenance done right now. DJ, I'll be up front. I'll be up front if you need me. Always maintenance going on when you got 30, 35 trucks on the road. Anyway, part of a day, life of a contractor. Absolutely, absolutely. Alrighty, we'll talk to you guys later. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.